Raymond Bedu is a social worker and rehabilitation officer. His passion was to create a world of difference through education in the lives of families living with children with cerebral palsy.
Cerebral palsy, in short, is a congenital condition. It is a kind of a brain damage condition that restricts the movement of children. During conception, during delivery, or after delivery, mothers experience what we term as prolonged labor or difficult labor. As a result, the child or the baby lacks oxygen, and that affects the child. And even sometimes the child becomes what we describe as floppy. The child becomes so weak and stiff. When a mother gives birth to a child, and it happened that the child happened to be a disabled person, it brings a kind of unhappiness and sadness to the family. And most often, the men normally accuse their wives of being responsible of having a disabled child, and for that matter, cerebral palsy child. When I had this dream of opting for this project, I approached the coordinator for rehabilitation services for Salvation Army in Ghana, because Vodafone Foundation needed us to associate ourselves with any vibrant non-governmental organization.
When he mooted the idea after seeing the adverts on the internet and in the dailies, I think he came to sit down with me. And looking at the nature of it, management saw that it was laudable and we had to give him that support.
I thank Vodafone Foundation, World of Difference, so much, because it has given me a very big platform. And for that matter, I was motivated to take up this project and also to break the silence of ignorance that's attached to cerebral palsy condition. I created a lot of subgroup sensitization program for the community members and the families to understand. I have organized a program for Tailors and Dressmakers Association. I have also organized a program for traditional birth attendants, the midwives, and most of the health personnel, or what we term as service providers. A lot of people within the Aguan East District and its environs are now aware of the condition of cerebral palsy.
When people look at all these things, they have a lot of things to say against such people, and the parents do feel bad sometimes. And so with this, I will appeal to the public that when they see children of such situations, they shouldn't say any negative things against them. That will also go and affect the parents.
And I'm going to say, Yaribio, Sabi, Etumika, Mufra, Afana Abata, with me, Bob Mufra, emphasis, as I born. The fish, Bobwa, Abatano, Ma, Sad Medina, Umwejai, Pisa, Media, Ababua, or mine, Ankasa, my Nemasunkum, Ababa, Yemen.
Men say, I will say, me who's I'm of Ranivia. Mammy, you want to train it. Me come on because I'm well, you between the Abuas, I'm of Rano, then I want so.
My mission in there was a man, Mufrana soon. I was me and bomb Mufrani too. To say a bomb of Frana Suman and said to Umbenia. I do my house and home, I do I fear and son. I do a form.
Now we improve. Wow, another one, no more how
wo mo fa ba no wo won ka gya no kwan ni wo ka gya no kwan se no doctor for one ya say say so wo na mo ba biara anala walampo obanimpo wo na o de fa ko wo hospital ko wo hospital na say na mi ya ba no so oba fa no kwan ma ntami ha oba hwe wo say ni dompe ni mu nya di.
Now the mothers are encouraged, their hope has been renewed, and they have the confidence to face the future. And that is what I stand for, and that is what World of Difference also stand for. The impact has been great. We keep on recording the cases, and the management of the condition has been possible.
Through this program, many people are aware of cerebral palsy, and about 35 new cases have been registered.
Maybe or the honeymoon to me, so maybe I am bro. It's an honeymoon, but the work I can happen now. From some the Vodafone for a program do or TV do. Mums the madam made the never bar. Or by me by no watch your channel. Or any exercise. Into me by no society. I ain't Yamana, but to obey Yamana.
We are very grateful to Vodafone for this big support. With the launching and other mobilizations which has gone on, it has actually bringing issues about cerebral palsy in the district up, and it is very good. People calling to inquire further what is happening, what we have here, and I must give the credit to both Salvation and Vodafone especially. Had it not been their support, I think we will still be in the background, and we are very grateful for the support.